Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the employers can't find you feature as a job seeker on Indeed in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, if you for any reason would like to enable this feature, this is how it works. Navigate to your account on Indeed, log into it, click into your profile icon top right and select profile here. So below guys, you will see the basic information about your job seeker profile, and below that you will see that feature employers can find you, which is usually also set to default. So if you'd like to change that, click into it and select the option below. This will basically allow only, as you can see, employers you have personally applied to view your profile, and that's basically it. Don't forget to reach out to you, and don't forget to click into save here, and that's it. Now let me click off here, and you can change that status anytime. There you go. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.